Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a Google Slides presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. Let's get started. First, open the Google Slides presentation that you want to download. Once your presentation is open, click File in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, move your cursor over Download. You'll see several download options. Click Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX. Google Slides will automatically convert your presentation into a PowerPoint file, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded PPTX file using Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, your slides, images, text, and most formatting are preserved in the PowerPoint version. If needed, you can continue editing the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint and save your changes normally. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to download a Google Slides presentation as a PowerPoint file. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.